Hey, what's up, Man here again. So what we're going to do today, we're going to be changing our transmission fluid in my MK7 GTI. I have a 2015 DSG. I'm pretty sure this process might be similar to the newer ones, but you might want to double check on it. I'm using the instructions from the ShopDAP video, which I will link in the description below. So what I have here today is a new oil filter housing from ECS Tuning. This is made out of billet aluminum, which comes with the housing. There's gold foil that's going to attach on the outside, and a new O-ring. From Flatirons Tuning here in Boulder, I've got some multi-tool transmission fluid. So from ShopDAP, I bought their DSG Transmission Service kit. This is the DSG Transmission Filler Tool. Comes with the oil filter, another O-ring, and a crush washer. A couple things you might need outside of that: OBD 11 and a 14 millimeter hex bit. I got this from Amazon for about $5 or $6. So other than that, let's get to it. Alright, that's the filter we're going to take out. Alright, let's try a 15/16. That's it. Right there. Boom. Alright, let's check what this gravity fed filler tool is all made of. The hose, the adapter piece that will screw onto the bottle itself, this piece that will go on the transmission drain hole. Got some weight to it. Thank God. Anyways, so I have my OBD 11 hooked up down here, and we need to check the temperature of the transmission fluid. So I went to control units, transmission. We go to live data and type in temp and transmission fluid temperature. That's what you want to click on. Click on OK. And right now we're at 33. We need to be around 35 to 45, so I'm going to wait to about 38 to 40 degrees Celsius, turn off the car, and then open up the drain plug again. So it's taking a bit, but we're finally up to, after 5 minutes, we're at 37 degrees Celsius. I'm going to give it a couple more minutes, and then from there we're going to crack open the drain plug to, like I mentioned before, release any excess transmission fluid. It's coming out.
45 newtons meter is approximately 33.19 foot-pounds.
That's what you need to set the drain bolt to if you have foot-pounds. I'm kind of curious how much excess fluid came out. This is about it right there. It's a decent amount. All right, so it wasn't bad of a job. Granted, it took me about a little over 3 hours. I just took my time, a water break, you know, things, you know, the usual. But that's well worth saving a couple $100, right? So other than that, it was straightforward. Maybe I've had to do it again. Probably take me maybe an hour, hour and a half the most, even at a leisure pace. Yeah, just came back from a drive. Everything feels, actually, I'm not sure it's a placebo effect. I'm just gonna say it feels normal. Any pro tips? I mean, maybe I have a slight, like I mentioned before, I have a slight incline on driveway, not too bad. Can try doing a garage or a flat surface. Would I recommend going with a gravity fed fill tool or a pump, like a manual pump, or where you hook one up to a compressor? If you're able to splurge on the manual pump one, I would. Granted, the gravity fed still worked, it just took a little bit longer. So all depends on what you value on time, or just the raw money itself, or just the raw cost of the tool itself. That's up to you. But I only plan to do this maybe 2 or 3 more times, you know, during the life of this car, maybe more, I don't know. So I think the gravity fed tool is well worth it for my use. Well, until then, see you next time.